The sculpture was purchased in 1926 directly by its author. This occasion was the start of an immediate friendship between Medardo Rosso and Giuseppe Riccioldi, so that the sculpture engraved the dedication "To you, Ricci, yours, Rosso," in Ecce Puer's wax. The artist also donated the plaster Madame Noblet, permanently exhibited in the gallery. This portrait was commissioned to Medardo Rosso. The author created it on the spot, without conducting any previous sessions. Ecce Puer, Here is the Child, is the boy who suddenly appears to the artist, who molds a fragile and transitory image in the wax. Matter itself is corruptible, a fleeting vision of youth that remains in the viewer's soul. Beyond the predominant realism, it is considered a true masterpiece, also by the critics of all times.